Now the question is asking you to calculate the sum of 9 terms of this particular series. First we'll see how to write the nth term of this particular series. This is nothing but first term, this is nothing but the second term, this is nothing but the third term what we are seeing. So the nth term is obviously sigma n cube divided by 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on up to n terms. Is that right? So on up to n terms. If you look at this part, this is an arithmetic progression with a is equal to 1, d is equal to 2, number of terms is equal to n only, correct? It's a series of odd terms. So you should know that sum of n terms of an odd arithmetic progression, okay, is always equal to n square, that we can establish here. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So we can write n divided by 2, 2 plus n minus 1 times 2. So what is the answer that we get here is equal to n square. So an can be written as sigma n cube is n square into n plus 1 the whole square divided by 4 divided by n square. So an is equal to n plus 1 the whole square divided by 4. Is that right? So I can write this as 1 divided by 4 into n square plus 2n plus 1, correct? This is an. Now the question is asking you to calculate the sum up to 9 terms. This is nothing but summation of n is equal to 1 to 9 of 1 divided by 4 times n square plus 2n plus 1. So what is the answer that we get? S9 is equal to 1 by 4 will remain outside. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 plus 2 times n into n plus 1 divided by 2 plus n, 1 added n times. Now here this maximum value of n is 9, right? So put n is equal to 9. You will get the answer to the question. So 2 and 2 will however get cancelled. S9 is equal to 1 divided by 4. 9 into 10 into 19 divided by 6. 19 divided by 6 plus 9 into 10 plus 9. Is it okay? So S9 is equal to 1 divided by 4 times 19 into 5 will be 95. 95 into 3. 95 into 3 will be equal to 95 into 3 will be equal to 285, right? 285 plus 90 plus 9 will be equal to 1 by 4 times 384. So 4 9s are 36, 4 6s are 24. So 96 is the answer to the question.